Hi Jelly Babes, welcome back to my channel. So I have been reached out to by, I'm now going to pronounce it wrong, it's either, how I pronounce it is like AIMEILI or AIMEILI or something totally different. But anyway, they reached out to me to review some of their products, which I was really pleased about. That I eventually got round to it. They had kind of like reached out to me a while ago, but I just have been super busy. But anyway, I've got round to it now. So I have got sent their base and top coat and a gel polish. Excuse me while I just throw everything around. So I actually quite like the pink packaging with this. And I'm playing dropsy today. What is the matter with me? I haven't been drinking, honestly. So yeah, so this was sent from their Amazon store, so I will leave links to that in the description box below. It does come with some instructions as well, which I am going to be going through with this review. So you've got basically the steps, and then you have got tips as well. And as well, there are some like frequently asked questions. So why is it lifting? Can I mix it with this, that and the other? So if you want to read that, then pause it. So this is the colour that they picked out for me to review. So it's shade 110 and it's Prunus Persica. So actually it's quite a lot darker in the flesh than it looks on the website. So I'd just like to point that out. It does say that on the website that lighting can vary. But yeah, but it is a lot lighter. But I do actually really like it. It's almost like a nudie, pinky, minky colour. So I know obviously this is on a pop stick, but I'm just showing you the steps you'd take if you were applying this to your own nails. So you'd want to like buff your nail. Then you want to get some prep and wipe. And you want to like cleanse the nail bed of oils. And you would want to wipe it all around the skin as well, because you don't want any oils on your nails because that will cause lifting. And sorry, I should have said, like, before you like buff, you want to push your cuticles back. That's really important as well, because that can cause lifting if there's like your cuticles are flaking. So yeah, you need to do that step. Then you want to apply their base coat. It's not watery, but it's a lot thinner than normal base coats that I'm used to working with. So you want to apply the base coat, you want to apply it nice and thin, and obviously you want to avoid getting it onto your skin. If you do, then you want to wipe it off with some nail polish remover and a brush before curing it, because again, if that overlaps, that can cause lifting. So this is it. So I know actually, well, I didn't know at the time, but after like looking back, I realised that probably not best putting it over a white base. So this was it over like a more naturally pop stick, just to try and show you the different colours. So this is the second coat. So you can see it's getting better and better coverage. So I actually applied 3 coats with this. I probably didn't need it, but I really wanted it to be a nice like flawless finish. So there you go. Isn't it gorgeous? And then I'm going to be applying their no wipe top coat. And what it means by no wipe top coat is when it's cured, it doesn't leave a tacky residue that normal gel polish leaves. And these are really good to use when you're applying like chromes or chameleon flakies. So that is it after I have cured it. And I can, get rid of that glitter. Yeah, so there's no tacky layer. So me and Stella went outside in the garden. So you can see outside it's got more of a pinky look going on than when it was indoors. But it is a really gorgeous sort of like nudie colour. And I actually came in and then I applied a matte top coat off camera. So indoors it is a little bit more darker. But I loved how it looked with the matte finish. And this was it outside. So again, it's still pinky, sort of pink / mink colour, gorgeous. And I loved it whether it was over a glossy or a matte. And then I decided just to add some stamping just to see how it would look with stamping. So this is my Beauty Big Bang. These are their new plates, which I have reviewed. I will leave links to it if you want to check that out. But I applied this stamping image to all of the nails. And I'm using their Beauty Big Bang like cuticle guards here, which peel off so easily. And as you can see, there's hardly any cleanup, which was perfect for when using my little Stella hand. So yes, I really enjoyed swatching this polish. There wasn't any like harsh smell or anything like that. If you would like a wear test on this polish, because obviously this was just swatching purposes only, then please let me know in the comments box below and I'll try and get round to that as soon as possible. But obviously I've only just done my nails, so you'll have to wait a few weeks. So yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed it. If you've got any more questions, then please just ask me in the comments box below. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.